Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pho with ramen noodles. First, let's create a flavorful broth base. You'll need some aromatic spices like star anise and cinnamon sticks, along with ginger and onion. Simmer these ingredients in chicken or beef broth for about 20 minutes. This quick infusion will give your ramen a delicious pho-like foundation, making it incredibly easy to enjoy this comforting dish at home. Next, let's prepare the noodles and toppings. Cook your instant ramen noodles according to package directions, but remember to discard the seasoning packet. For protein, thinly slice beef, chicken, or even shrimp, as these will cook quickly in the hot broth. Finally, gather your fresh garnishes like cilantro, basil, bean sprouts, and lime wedges to add vibrant flavor and texture. Now it's time to assemble your delicious ramen pho bowl. Place the cooked ramen noodles at the bottom of a large bowl. Arrange your thinly sliced protein on top of the noodles. Carefully ladle the piping hot, aromatic broth over everything. The heat will gently cook your protein. Finish by adding your fresh garnishes, a squeeze of lime, and a drizzle of sriracha or hoisin sauce for extra flavor. You can easily customize your ramen pho to suit your taste. Add extra sriracha or fresh jalapenos for more heat, or try different proteins like shrimp or tofu for variety. Feel free to experiment with different vegetables like bok choy or mushrooms. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Enjoy experimenting with flavors and making this comforting dish uniquely yours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.